Hello, everyone. I'm coming to you on this great sunny Sunday afternoon from Mr. Coonihan's office while he's in the kitchen cooking. Hopefully, you all took up Mrs. Moore's challenge and got out this weekend. It was such a great weekend. We went out hiking and spent some time outdoors with our neighbors last night. Don't worry, we were all social distancing, but it's just such a fabulous weekend. So I hope you were outside and enjoyed it. Looked at some of the buds on the trees. It was just great. Okay, so as we head into this week, as we talked about last week, we are going to start focusing on sub-Saharan Africa and the trade routes there. Before you do that today, the first thing you're going to do when you go into classroom is there's a little quiz there on the Renaissance. So it covers some of the things we went over for the Renaissance. There might even be a few questions on feudalism. So that is the first thing that you will do today when you go into classroom. The quiz is on a new platform called Edulastic. It's really simple. You'll go into the quiz. It's multiple choice. It's drag and drop questions. It's fill in the blank questions. It should be pretty easy. I know you guys will do fantastic on it. When you are done with that, there is a YouTube video on the geography of Africa. So it's just going to kind of show you the different parts of Africa, what you find where. So for example, where is the Sahara Desert? It will review the Nile River, the Nile Delta. It'll talk about Mount Kilimanjaro. It'll talk about some of the good farming areas away from the Nile River. It'll also talk about some areas that aren't so great. It'll talk about the jungles. So it just kind of gives you an overview of the geography of Africa before we start getting into the trading routes and the natural resources of Africa. So you're going to take the quiz. You're going to watch the video. There will be an exit ticket about the video that you're going to watch. And then there's also just a short written assignment that goes along with the video. Not too difficult today. On Wednesday, we're going to start talking about some of the different civilizations that were in ancient Africa. We'll talk about Axum, which will be the first one, and then Friday we'll look at some of the others. So that's all really you're doing today. So the quiz on the Renaissance, you're watching the YouTube video on the geography of Africa, you're taking an exit ticket and a short written assignment. Should be pretty easy today, and then we will see you again on Wednesday. As always, if you have any questions about anything that we're doing, feel free to email either myself or Mrs. Moore. Okay, that's it. Have a great day.